everyone, welcome to our final demo of CS411 project. Our idea is to build a web application to provide convenience and for eat lovers to satisfy their desire for food based on their favorites and restaurants information. Users can create their own accounts and have their own username, password, and email address. We will get information of restaurants from websites like Yelp, including restaurant name, category, phone number, number of reviews, average rating, address, etc. Users can add restaurants to their visited place list with their own ratings if there are some restaurants the user really like or want to try in future. The user can bookmark it. Moreover, the user can update their visited restaurants and delete their bookmarked restaurants every time the user wants to find a place to eat. The application will automatically create an ordered list of recommendations based on the user's previous food experience and other users' ratings and bookmarked places and locations. Also, the user can just ignore the recommendations and search for restaurants according to their own specifications. Okay, so that's basically our introduction. So now I'm gonna show you some functions even before we register into our database. So first of all, we can check the complete list of restaurants. So now we click on browse restaurants. It's gonna show you all the list of the restaurants in Champaign-Urbana area, which we got all the information from Yelp. And then if we scroll down to the bottom and then we click on next page, and then we'll go to another part of the whole list, and then we can click on next page, and then previous page. So that's it. So the next one I'm gonna show you is our search function. If you click on the search, you're gonna come to this screen, and then we can search for restaurants by name or rating score and get a list of matched restaurants in the order of similarities of the keyword. So for example, if you type Panera and then by restaurant name, and then you're gonna see Panera Bread is on the first one of the whole list, and then the others would be some restaurants with the similar name or like with similar typing. But here, if you see my typing, you're gonna see I got a typo here, and then but it's still gonna show you the option of Panera Bread. So that means even with typo, we can still see our the restaurant that we want to search for. And then so another advanced point of our search function is that the web page keeps showing different lists of restaurants as you are typing the keyword and will only be static when you stop typing. For example, if you like type a string here and then you keep typing, and then it will give you different lists of restaurants. And also we can search for restaurants by ranking. Like if you type 3, it's gonna give you all the restaurants with 3 in the rating score, or it can also give you the decimal place. And then here we go. And so that's it. So now you might want to register as a member of our database. So here we are gonna create a new user profile with user ABB and then password. What I'm gonna do is okay, submit. And then you need to sign in using your username and password. Then click on login. Here under our my profile page, you will see, since you are a new member of our food base, you got uh no entry in our visited restaurants or bookmarked restaurant. And then now you might want to add some into your own lists. So we go to browse restaurants again, and then if you've been to Lai Lai Walk and then you really like it, and then you can click on it and then get the detailed information of the restaurant, and then you give it a 5 score and rate. And here you will find it has already been added to your visited restaurants list. And also you can see the detail of it. And in this page you can also change the rate score. Like if you want to change it to 4, and then you rate it again and go back to my profile, you see the user rating has already been changed to 4. And then now you may want to add some bookmark restaurant. Like if you haven't been to Golden Harbor, and then but like one of your friend recommended it to you and you really want to save it for future use, and then you click on it and bookmark. Go back to my profile again, and then you will see it has already been added to your bookmark restaurant. So if you want to add it and then delete from my bookmark, and then go back to my profile, see, it's gonna be empty again. So now if you want to get the recommended restaurants by our system instead of search for restaurants yourself, and then you can just click on the go to recommended restaurant, and then our system will give you a list of all the recommended restaurants here. This is based on a slope 1 algorithm, which is a recommendation method based on the data pattern of both the object itself and other instances. In our case, we first get the object users' ratings to the visited restaurants and other users' ratings history. We try to figure out the relations between ratings of each pair of restaurants by observing other users' pattern, and use this to guess the object user's ratings to those restaurants he or she hadn't been before by taking his or her current rating patterns as a reference. And we give the list of recommendations in the decreasing sequence of guest ratings. So that's it. I think we're done here at this point. So thank you everyone for your time.